Hello everyone, this is Patil Rohit. In this video, I will prepare most healthy and uh, health beneficial fermentative product, which name is apple cider vinegar. This is apple cider vinegar. It originated from the European countries. In compared to the India and European countries, vinegar consuming level of high level in this European countries. Cider is an alcoholic beverage prepared from the apple juice. In this apple juice contain 2 to 8% of the alcohol, and this process carries two steps, and in this process two type of the microorganism involved. And first microorganism is the yeast, and species of the yeast microorganism Saccharomyces cerevisiae, and second microorganism is the lactic acid bacteria. It also species of lactic acid bacteria, the lactobacillus species. In this two type of the microorganism, firstly yeast involved in the first step. Converted yeast is converted into the sucrose or sugar molecule into the lactic acid, and other second step of the in this process, the lactic acid bacteria is converted into the lactic natural malic acid into the carbon dioxide. In this all process, the formation of the acetic acid, and vinegar, it is and the solution or solution of the acetic acid. In this process, firstly you can take the two type of this two small apple, and cut in the small pieces. You can also take the juice of the apple, but I cannot be use juice, but I will use the some cube like of the structure of pieces of apple. Stop. In this way, small size of the pieces cut down, and fill in the bottle. In this apple skin, some type of the yeast present. In this processing, add some amount of the water. You can see here. Addition of the water, you can add starter culture. This is a starter culture of this apple cider vinegar. You can add or cannot be add, but in this apple skin, some different type of the microorganism like yeast present, and then converted into the cider vinegar. Addition of the starter culture. In this addition of the starter culture, after the some little amount of the sugar will be added. You can see here. Addition of the sugar, you can mix as well in proper condition. You can see here. In this way, this is a special type of the arrangement you can carry. In this process, carbon dioxide are released, and you can see the carbon dioxide, how to release, and release the carbon dioxide. This is type of the balloon. They fill the some carbon dioxide gas, and he will be increase the size of the carbon dioxide, and confirm the this is a fermentation process will be carried. And this is this type of the apple cider vinegar, in inhibition period of this fermentation, 7 to 9 days required for the proper fermentation, and primary fermentation carry out the uh, 24 to 36 hour. In this type, you can pack the bottle. Production of the apple cider vinegar. It is an most beneficial role performed in the human body. Apple cider vinegar helps in the diabetic patients. The control the blood sugar in the human body in diabetic patient. It also uh, help in the weight lossing. Weight lossing. Some doctors recommended for the apple cider vinegar in the weight lossing agent, like, and it used as a preservative. Sometime apple cider vinegar it also used the decolorizing agent. The in this apple cider vinegar, some different type of the antimicrobial activities are present. Then this is a acidic condition, pH of the production of the apple cider vinegar. After the pH in this cider vinegar, acid are produced. Then pH of the acidic, and 3 to 4 pH are maintained and used as like preservative. Stop. Good morning, friends. This is the last part of the experiment. This fermentation process take the 7 days time period, and result of the experiment front of you. You can see the microorganism carry this reaction or this fermentation process. In this process, microorganism formation of the apple juice cider vinegar, apple juice to vinegar. In this process, the indicator of this fermentation process, first initial in this initial stage, uh, uh, in this balloon, carbon dioxide cannot be filled, and after 7 days, carbon dioxide will be formation in this balloon. And you can see here, the after formation of fermentation, some bubbles are formed. After the fermentation, shake the bottle and you can see the release the carbon dioxide, and bubble will get be fill the carbon dioxide. You can see the gas will be increases, level of the gas increases in bubble. You can see here. And last stage of the uh, extraction of the final product of apple cider vinegar, you can use the filtration process, and in this process carry out the filter muslin cloth of the filtration. Filtration, our product are ready for the consumption. You can see here. First.